Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to make your very own Mr. Mobile style social media animation. Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome to KGFCP, where we got free graphics project files, tutorials, and more. My name is Kevin Ganitz, and today we're going to make the Mr. Mobile social media animation. Let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is click the link in the description that says download, and you're going to open up this Mr. Mobile style zip. Once inside, you're going to double click on the project file. And once you got the project file open, you should have something that looks like this. You're going to see a bunch of random weird little things. Don't pay too much attention. We're going to fix everything right now. So what you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube profile. I recommend doing it in incognito mode so you don't get that like edit button. And you're going to want to right click your profile picture, press save as, save it to your downloads. Doesn't really matter where you save it, but I'm going to save it there. You're going to open up Final Cut Pro, and you're going to scroll around to where my profile picture is. You're going to take your newly downloaded profile picture and you're going to put it right here. So you're going to drag it, make sure it's the same length. You're going to click on my profile picture, you're going to press Command C. You're going to click on the new one, and you're going to press Command Option V. And what that does is copies the animation to your profile picture. So now we can delete this one. So now when you press play, you're pretty much halfway done already. You already got your picture loading up. Everything else is one by one step little process. So right now we're going to do the green name box. So we're going to double click that. We're going to double click this. Let's just put KGFCP just for simplicity's sake. Then you're going to click on this little back arrow. And now that's done. Now we're going to do the white box. So now my name is Kevin Ganitz on all social medias. Unfortunately, on some of them, I'm not allowed to have the word Kevin Ganitz. I guess because I made old accounts a long time ago. KGFCP as well, because why not? Then we're going to press back. And now you can see everything's pretty much loaded for you already. Now, if your name is too short or too long, you're going to have to like tweak it a little bit. But let's say, for example, the way my name is too short for the green box right now. We're going to double click. And then I'm going to just do some tracking. Why not? Let's put this at like 50%. That looks good. So now when we go back, it's filling in the green box a little bit more. Obviously, if you got a longer username, you're going to want to do something else. So let's say I have a really long username. Let's say it's Kevin Ganitz YouTube or whatever. Now that should be, it's way too long. So what you want to do now is find another font that is something condensed. So for example, DIN condensed. We're going to click that. So now when you press play, the username is showing up fine. It's in that green box. If you have any longer username than that, I mean, I don't know how to help you. You could try tracking it negatively a little bit so it could get more squished, but I don't know how that's going to look. Your miles may vary. So we're going to do the same thing for the KGFCP box over here. And there you have it. You have your very own Mr. Mobile social media animation. So let's say you're in the same category as me and you don't use Facebook. What could you do here? Well, what you want to do is go back to that folder. And in this folder, I included one more just in case you wanted to do it. You could switch these out. You could add, you could take one away. Totally up to you. You could customize this however you wanted. So for example, let's say I want to replace Facebook with the Twitter block. I'm going to drag the Twitter block right above the Facebook. I'm going to make sure it's the same exact length. You're going to press Command C on the Facebook block, and then you're going to go to the Twitch block and you're going to press Command Option V. So now when you press play, you actually have the Twitch block coming up instead of the Facebook. Now, you can do this as much as you want. you can replace. And if you want to make your own, if I don't have a social media animation block here that you need, all you have to do is open up one of these in Photoshop and just replace it with your own block. The file size is 1000 by 1000. So if you already have one that's that dimension, or you could just open one of these, paint over it, change the colors, however you want to do it. And I also include, because I don't like the way that Mr. Mobile has his Instagram block, I also included a better Instagram block. I think that looks a lot nicer. So same process, we're going to drag it right on top of the Instagram one. We're going to make sure it's the same length. You're going to go to the old one, Command C, go to the new one, Command Option V, and now you have the new Instagram. Now if you don't want the green rectangle here, again, open this in Photoshop, open this green rectangle in Photoshop, change it to any color you want. There's probably a way you could change it in Final Cut Pro too by messing with like the color wheels and stuff like that, but I'm not going to get into that today. And then let's say, for example, you want the Facebook and Twitch, so you want 5 of these. What you're going to do is you're going to go to where the Instagram block starts, and you're going to go 3 frames to the right. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to drag the Twitch block right here. One, 2, 3. Make sure that these are all 5:06 on the time. So then we're going to press Command C on the Instagram block, and we're going to go to the Twitch block, Command Option V. Then you're going to want to click in the middle somewhere when the Twitch block is fully loaded, and you're going to drag the position a little to the right. You're going to keep going until it's like right behind where the white name block starts. Then you're going to go to the white name block. You're going to highlight the name for white box file and the white 4K file. You're going to highlight those, and you're going to drag them to the right. So let's get when everything is fully loaded, and then we're just going to drag this right around here. So now when you press play, you have all of them. Now I wouldn't go too crazy with this. I wouldn't do more than 5, because I don't know how long the animation's gonna last, and then you might have like 50 icons just doing that. I wouldn't go over 5, I'll be honest, but I think around 5 you should be good to go. So now we're going to show you how to put it onto your videos. So what you're going to want to do is click Master File and Share. You're going to want to go to Settings, Apple ProRes 444. Make sure this is selected. If you do not save it in this file, you're going to have errors, you're going to have problems, then you're going to come leave me comments. Don't do that. Put Apple ProRes 444. That'll make it a transparent video. So then we're going to put social media animation. Doesn't really matter what you name it. Press save, save it to the desktop. So now that you've exported it, you're going to want to go to where you exported it. I exported it to the desktop, so I'm going to drag and drop it right on top of my footage. And now when I press play, there you go. I got my very own Michael Fisher style social media animation. That's going to be it from me, guys. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I got a lot more Final Cut Pro videos coming soon. And if you have any requests, any big YouTuber subscribe animation, follow animation that you're interested in, drop the link to the video below that contains it. Drop a timestamp under the link where the animation starts. I'll see what I can do. Until next time, guys. Peace out. God bless.